Navigating unfamiliar terrain can be tough, but Google Maps Satellite View gives you a real-world perspective for ultimate accuracy. Today, we will show you how to master this feature to elevate your navigation game. What exactly is it? It is a feature providing high-resolution aerial imagery that goes far beyond standard road maps. It helps you identify buildings, parking lots, and trails with bird's-eye clarity before you even arrive. It is perfect for off-road exploration, complex urban navigation, and gaining a realistic orientation. To switch on mobile, simply open the app and tap the layers icon in the top right corner. Select Satellite under Map Type to instantly transform your perspective. On desktop, simply click the layers icon in the bottom left corner of maps.google.com. Pro tip: combine Satellite View with Street View for ground-level insight into building entrances and crosswalks. And don't forget to download your satellite maps for offline use when you're going off-grid. Use it for advanced tasks like real estate tours, construction surveying, or environmental monitoring. The detail provided allows for precise project logistics and thorough topographical analysis. Google Maps Satellite View helps you spot obstacles and travel with greater confidence and precision. Explore the world from above today. For professional GIS and geospatial solutions, contact GeoWGS84. Reach us at geowgs84.com or call at 720-702-4849.